Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Rico and today it's an important day, June 25. We're going to celebrate my birthday, but my birthday was June 22 and we just celebrated today because my mom has work Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, and then we're gonna celebrate today, June 25, Saturday. So well, I'm 13 now. It's been 1 year already since my 12th birthday. I'm gonna put it in the top description corner and the link to the video in the box, and the other one is in the eye on the top right corner. So if you want to watch that, make sure to watch that. Okay, let's start today's video, guys, and I'll see you later. Yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye. Hey guys, so maybe the word later is the definition word of now, because we're still like here, we didn't go to my cousin's place yet because my birthday June 22 is the birthday of Lee Min Ho, if you know Lee Min Ho, and then on June 23 is my other cousin's birthday, but my cousin's sister. So my birthday on June 22 and my cousin's sister, which is also my cousin, on June 23. So just gonna hang this towel first. Okay, this hanger. There you go. Got the hanger. Wait a bit later, guys. Hey guys, so today is the now. It's now night time. I don't know what time it is yet, but we're in our cousin's house now. We're going to celebrate a little bit later. We're just going to ready our food. So there's more guests coming here today, so I think I'll just make a montage out of it. So see you guys later.
Asa na si Jen?
Yes.
Sige, ano sa video ko?
Yes. Kita-kita ka. Sila ko sa TikTok. Sila ko TikTok.
Blue walls, sweetheart, fell apart somewhere long ago. So they meet again. Never need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love folded.
Oh my gosh, Maui!
Sabay yan sa song. It's still it's the one that they had back when they were too young to know love was real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't cooled the flame. It's burning deep right before. You got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love found it. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back, it is alive, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time,
Isama din sa package deal, ha?
love on it.
And sexy chef.
Hey!
Ayan na, third. Discover ko na.
Sir, akong manager mo ha.
Hey guys, we're now back home. It is night time. The celebration has ended. I always end my video in the house, sometimes not in the house, or maybe one time only I ended it somewhere. The Pasig Islet video, make sure to watch that because that was my only place and the only time I made an outro not in the house. So make sure to watch that, and that's about it. So, but remember to make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the notification up, turn the notification bell so you don't miss a video always. And that's about it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.